Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nexa. I hope you are all fine. Today our topic is very important because this is a topic actually made for especially artificial intelligence lovers and machine learning. Those who want to learn machine learning, paid and free. For example, if you want to learn it for free, I have some websites and platforms for that too. And if you want to learn it paid, then we have some platform for that also. So I'll just start with EDX courses. EDX is completely for free, so you can learn AI courses from Google, IBM, Harvard, Stanford University, and a lot of big universities in the world. So on first we have AI for everyone, master the basics. If you wanna just master the basics of AI, then you have this course from IBM, and the next one is from Google, and the next one is from Harvard. So this is the best platform to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning free of cost, right? And the second platform is Coursera. If you want to just pay them little bit of payment or money, then you have this Coursera platform which you can use to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning. And paying them is will benefit you for getting a certificate, because Coursera is going to give you a certificate, and also EDX has the option to give you a certificate, but it will cost you or at least $150, right? So Coursera will also give you a certificate, and it will not be as much as EDX is charging for that. It will be much cheaper than EDX. But these are two, I think, the best platform that you can use for artificial intelligence and machine learning. The third number is Skillshare. Skillshare is gives you first of all, it gives you a 7 days free trial. I have also used that, and right now I'm using that. And then it will charge you $2 per month, which will be $24 per year. So yeah, it will give you some basic courses for artificial intelligence, like it has a demystifying artificial intelligence, understanding machine learning. So you will get some basic courses from this platform, and a lot of other courses like chat GPT courses, and GPT-3, GPT 3.5, and a lot of other courses which are related to AI and ML. So I think this is also a good platform to learn artificial intelligence in this time in 2023. And it will also give you courses of prompt engineering, and Adobe Firefly, and a lot of other AI tools. And also it is going to give you a mid-journey AI from zero to hero course, right? So if you want to just learn these tools, or you want to know about these tools, then this is also a good platform for you. So that was it. If you want to learn more about these courses and platforms, then you can subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.